What's going on, Boogie?
We don't know what to do.
What time is it?
It's like 11 at night. We are lazy, but we're bored. We are looking for something to do. So maybe we'll go and drift. If you see this video, we did this.
This is my mood at the moment. This is Boogie's mood. Okay, so now what we need to do is only change the tires on the front for the winter ones. We have some here, some freshies. And also fix the exhaust situation. But let's do the tires first.
Say less, say no more. You brought me to the brink of the sickness. Got me down low, scraping the floor like I've been meaning to chat to you more, but no more excuses. I'm back to the board now. Done with the bullshit, I'm backed in the corner. Temperature rising, I'm trapped in a sauna. Yeah, walls close in, not joking. Hot box, brain will sink. I swing, it spins, but bingo.
Okay, we have winter tires on. Now the exhaust. The situation with exhaust. So this we used for the exhaust last time. Okay, a bit of adjusting of the sunroof because we're not expecting any sun.
Decline, let the temperature rise. We're back to the line. We can glow, we can shine,
Perfect.
we can grow, we can glide.
Boogie's fixing the exhaust and we're ready to go. Hey Boogie?
No?
Oh, I like the fix.
Got me down low, scraping the floor like I've been meaning to chat.
This is gonna hold?
It's gonna hold forever.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, it's midnight and we're ready to go.
Cause I know I can't hold more traps. All that mess on our chat on WhatsApp gone. All the memories quite clean. I don't go out when I smoke on sightsee. I may be wrong, but wrong so rightly. I wrote this song just to say this kindly. Yeah.
Okay, last thing we need to do with the car is fix the one of the lights.
Wykręcę.
Ah.
Chodź się zapytamy.
Dziękujemy.
Dziękujemy, do widzenia.
Do widzenia. Okay, we changed the bulb, it still doesn't work, so I guess something else is broken. We're just gonna go like this and hope that there's not gonna be any police. Let's see.
Say less, say no more. You brought me to the brink of the sickness. Got me down low, scraping the floor like I've been meaning to chat to you more, but no more excuses. I'm back to the board now. Done with the bullshit, I'm backed in the corner. Temperature rising, I'm trapped in a sauna.
Our exhaust fix didn't last long, but we have a spare idea, let's say.
Ain't no else, you give me a task, I could break that shell. Yeah, put me aside, but we're feeling the vibe, and I know what you like. You're so lovely and kind. You show me the sign, you can sit and recline as we roll with the times. If we slowly decline, let the temperature rise, and we're back here aligned. We can glow.
Okay, good morning people on the internet. Yesterday the boys went out to do a little bit of drifting and stuff, and weirdly we got a phone call from Bozo last night saying that he's gonna work all night in the garage to make it very nice and warm. So he said, come dressed appropriately. So we did.
Hey, okay.
This is very nice garage.
Okay, I don't want to spoil you guys, but this is not actually our garage. Sorry.
Look.
Good morning. It's 8 a.m. I woke up a bit earlier because I still have a jet lag and everyone's still sleeping. So I'm just gonna quickly tell you what's going on. A couple months ago we went to Ireland and we got invited for Adam LZ's event here in Florida in December. And back then we were, you know, talking to each other how cool would it be to go to Florida in December, but we didn't really believe truly that it was possible. A couple months forward we checked the ticket prices and they were affordable, and then we were like, okay, let's go. Unfortunately Bozo had to stay home because he's got exams at school, but me, Boogie, Marek and the girls, we came to Florida a couple days ago. We are here 3 days already. I was just not feeling like filming. The first couple days we were just chilling, spent some time in Miami and, you know, just a little bit of vacation. But today shit should get serious. Oh, the train, look. So we left Miami yesterday and we are in West Palm Beach at the moment. We had a quick sleep here. Plan for today is to drive to Orlando to Adam LZ's compound, to see the compound, spend some time with the boys and like basically see what's going on, film around. For the event we are not going as a, you know, we're not driving cars, we're not going as a drivers, but we're also not going as just outside people like spectators. We're gonna be somewhere in the middle. I think we're gonna just be like behind the scenes, and I hope we're gonna be able to show you guys on film how it all looks. I'm super excited. This is my second time in the US and I love every part of it. So yeah, let's go wake up the boys and go to Orlando. And also it's my first time actually in proper Polish winter in a place like this when it's warm. It's super funny to see. Most of the houses already have you know, Christmas lights and all that stuff. And it, for me, it looks so unreal when there's no snow. It just doesn't feel like Christmas, it feels like summer. This is our rental. We got a Mazda CX-5, which is a pretty cool car. Never drove in it before. Morning.
Are you on the internet?
No, I'm not on the internet. We're in America.
Good morning, people of America and everywhere else.
It's the end of the road. If you're still here, then fucking hell.
Okay, everyone woke up finally. We had breakfast and coffee. Marco's editing pictures. Boogie trying to book jet ski. And Maggie's trying to ship your orders.
Yes.
To get delivered before Christmas.
My problems, cause I know that everyone that lives at some point they have got them, as it may seem. Depression's got me lazy just to think I'm wasting all this time. That feeling drives me crazy and I'm trying to improve. I just don't know what to do, trying to go back to the time I was the happy guy in school and it dawned on.
Okay, I think we're here.
Go straight there.
That's Jimmy's, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, we made it to the compound. No one's here yet because everyone's on the truck. They're testing cars. Man, Mike's NSX, look at this. Hey!
Alright, we made it.
Thank you.
What's
up? Hey!
Welcome.
Hey,
Good to see you.
yeah, you too, man.
So this is kind of just storage over here.
We were wondering, what was it before he bought it? Was it like...
There was basically this wealthy guy that like his hobby was this, right, building cars, and like the whole thing was he wanted to like have like a spot to kind of build cars with his family, his son, and like you know, and like obviously house and collect, and this was like his personal place, almost
Now
like
this feels like home. This is home, man.
There you go.
Hey.
Can I go fast?
Yeah.
Hey, bang it, bang it.
Ladies, hold it on.
Yeah, fine.
It's trying.
Go.
Okay, that's all it's got. So this is LZ's workshop right here. Wrong button. Oh, there we go.
Okay. Madres.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Man.
So nice cars. E36 there.
E36 and E36 anyway.
The floor, look at the floor.
It's a nice floor.
I love this floor, man. I'd like to have this floor in my garage. One day, goals.
Goals.
I don't care about this.
4 goals. Hey, you kind of match the CRX. Go stand next to it.
I mean,
Give me the squat.
I would like them.
No, don't sit on it, don't sit on it. I saw it all on the videos, but like,
Yeah, I know, it hits
here-
different in person, right? Shh, shh.
One behind the camera. I mean, I had the same feeling when we went to your garage for the first time. The same shock.
Well, I'm happy I came first, because if
Yeah.
you came here first and then went to
Oh, yeah.
mine, you'd be like, ah,
Like,
Jimmy.
oh.
So there's like a hangout room up there, so if you guys need a spot to edit, or just to like unwind, or if Boogie just needs to take a nap, up there. Prep, paint,
By the way, I'm not paying you any money. I don't have any money.
it's okay, you'll hold my camera, we'll make it, you know.
Okay.
Need the bumper?
Boogie, keep your hands to yourself.
Bumper? Need the like whatever.
No, the
whatever
crazy thing
you
is they just
need.
got this crazy HGK order in, so it's like, I think it's like 10 grand just in that box right there, just worth of carbon fiber.
Never I thought that I will be eating rice and beans in Adam's compound.
Well, enjoy it.
Mud.
Have you guys ever seen this car before?
No, no,
I saw it
no.
on stories and stuff.
The well said I could DJ out the back, Jim.
Out the back?
Back of this.
Oh yeah?
Hey.
I love that. Thank you.
Boogie film.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Sam is always like this. Like,
I don't like dodgy stuff.
What's dodgy? We're just watching videos.
What's the? Like I said, no. What's dodgy? Eh? He came to Adam's office.
Oh wait.
Wait,
It's good.
wait. What's dodgy? Marek, what do you say about this office? It's not bad, no?
It's a bit better than my house, I have to say.
Office with a view.
You know, I came here when we were driving here. I was like thinking, okay, what's my game plan? What am I gonna take pictures of? And you know, I have this camera, I have film camera, everything, TikTok and all that. And I was like, okay, I know. I got here and I was like,
No.
my eyes are like this everywhere.
I'm a bit speechless. This whole place is like one big playground. It looks like little child's dream. Okay. I had to hide a bit because just need a moment to sit and just sink it in. Oh, Chelsea Northwest right there. I'm gonna wait a bit until the sun is a bit lower, and then I'm gonna try to film and show you guys the vibe that is here, which is gonna be super tough to really show you the reality, but I'll do my best. Boogie, how does it drive comparing to yours?
It's faster.
Faster, eh?
Yeah, and he's the better driver than me.
Yeah? Sheesh! It's been a couple hours since we finished filming because the camera died. We left compound already and we are next to our hotel. Tomorrow is a big day because there is 2 days, tomorrow and after tomorrow, of LZ Invitational event, which we're gonna film for a separate video, so you know what you can expect the next video. And a couple words about what happened today is...
We were very speechless half the day. No words can really describe what we felt today, to be in such a crazy place. And we never thought, like, you know, that we're gonna be where we are today.
Definitely feel grateful to be here, and still like
Hashtag grateful.
Hashtag grateful. For me personally, for like first 2 hours, I was like in shock. I didn't know what to do with myself.
Yeah, we were sort of like walking around. Jimmy was giving us a tour all around the compound, and we were like, hello? That's it really, like we didn't know what to do, but later it was much more chilled.
Thank you guys for watching, for constant support, and see you in the next one.
Yeah, and for any of you who are going to LZ event, see you there.